Hello and welcome to the South Ganga Career Institute. English Conversation for Beginners 2.1. Say I am. And learn to tell something about yourself. I'm confused. I'm extremely confused. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm extremely tired. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm hungry. I'm terribly hungry. I'm 23 years old. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm leaving work. I'm thirsty. I'm from Mumbai. Now say I am in. I'm in a car. I'm in the shower. I'm in a house. I'm in a school. I'm in the lobby. Now say I am in. And I am at. I'm in the mall. I'm at the mall. I'm in the park. I'm at the park. I'm at the lawyer's office. I'm at the bus stand. I'm at the medical store. I'm at the grocery shop. I'm in the grocery shop. In our next video, learn to use I am getting. For more information, visit SGCI website. For any assistance, feel free to mail us at southganga@outlook.com. Thanks for watching.